What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel All Wings Everything, and you are in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make bacon chicken ranch sliders. Man, these things are delicious and they are perfect for game day. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have here. So right here, I have some Parmesan cheese grated. I have some dry parsley flakes. I have ranch dressing, of course, and we have some ranch seasoning. We're going to also use some of these Hawaiian rolls, some bacon. Right here, I have some Colby jack cheese. Right here, I also have some oven roasted sliced deli chicken. And guys, you want it to be sliced very thin. And we're also going to use some butter. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our bacon dish for our sliders. So what you want to do is take some cooking spray and just spray the inside of your bacon dish. Then next, we're going to just remove our buns from the packaging and place it on a cutting board. And all you want to do, guys, now is run your knife down the center of the buns, leaving you a bottom half and a top half. And what you want to do is you want to take your bottom half and place it in the baking sheet like that. All right, so what we're gonna do now is prepare our ranch butter sauce. So let me tell you what we have. I have a half a stick of butter here. I have 1 tablespoon of that dry ranch seasoning and some dry parsley, 1 teaspoon. So this is what we're gonna use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to heat up our pot to medium. Then next, what we're gonna do is add our butter. And we're going to let it start melting. Once the butter comes to a melt, what you want to do is you want to start adding your dried parsley. Next, add your ranch seasoning. You want to turn your heat down. You don't really want it boiling. You want to turn it down to a simmer and just continue to mix it till all the ingredients are combined. Now that all the ingredients are combined, what you want to do is you want to remove it from the heat, add it to a safe glass dish. This is what we have. So let's move on to the next step. All right, so what we're going to do now is prepare our cheese. So right here, I have 6 slices. I have 12 slices of cheese, but I got them in 6-piece stacks. So I'm going to cut them down the middle. And then I'm going to cut them down lengthwise, giving us 4 quarters, which is about, it's going to be 24 pieces of cheese, just like that. All right. This is what it looks like. See that? All right, guys, let's move on. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to start preparing the bottom half of our Hawaiian rolls. So what we want to do is we're going to take our butter sauce and we're going to brush the bottom layer of the bun just like this. You're probably going to use about half of the sauce doing this. You want to make sure you get that butter sauce on every inch of that bottom layer. All right, so what we're going to start doing now is we're going to start adding our cheese. So what you want to do is you want to put 2 slices of cheese on each bottom part of the bun, just like I'm doing right here. Now, once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to start adding our sliced chicken. So right now, right here, you want to just start, just placing your chicken on top of the cheese. Doesn't matter how you do it. And you're probably going to double up. You want to do a single layer first, making sure that you cover all the bottom layer. Then if you have a little bit extra, then you want to start doubling up on top. And now that we've done that, we're going to start adding our bacon crumbles on top of the sliced chicken. And me, I love bacon, so what I did was I used 10 slices of cooked bacon. I cooked the bacon, then I just crumbled it up because I love bacon. So you can use as much or as little bacon as you want. So after that, what you want to do is you want to get your ranch dressing. And from the bottle, you're just going to give it a light squeeze over the top layer of your sliced chicken and bacon crumbles. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add more cheese, of course, add more cheese. Again, we're going to do 2 pieces of cheese as another layer on top of our bacon crumbles. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of the cheese and I'm just going to cover the final layer of our sliders, just like that. And now that we've done that, what we're going to do, of course, we're going to top it off by bringing the top part of our Hawaiian rolls and sit it on top of our cheese, just like this. And what you're going to do is take the remaining of your butter sauce and start lightly brushing the top of the buns. Now you want to take your Parmesan cheese, and what you're going to do is just lightly sprinkle it over the top, just like this. Next, you're going to grab you a piece of aluminum foil and you're going to cover this, and we're going to sit it in the oven on 325 degrees. I've already preheated the oven, and we're going to let it cook covered for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, we're going to pull it out, uncover it, and we're going to let it cook for an additional 10 more minutes. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next step. All right, so it has been 20 minutes, so we're going to uncover it and take a look at it. So this is what it looks like uncovered. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stick it back in the oven, same temperature, 325 degrees, uncovered, and allow it to finish cooking. And this is what we have after the 10 additional minutes. Take a look at this, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more of that butter sauce over the top of it, give it a little bit more color. And let's cut one of these bad babies out. Guys, take a look at this. All right, so let me get these bad babies plated up and I'll be right back. There you have it, guys. Chicken, bacon, ranch sliders. You want these on the table for game day. Take a look at this, man. They are simple, easy, and quick to make. I know you guys are gonna have some people over for the Super Bowl, and even if not, you're gonna enjoy it with your family, so you're definitely gonna need these right here on the table, guys. I'm telling you, they are delicious. So if you need the ingredients, the measurements, they're all in the video description below, along with the links if you need any of these items. Also, that All Wings Everything merch is down there too in that video description. So guys, click those links and go and order you some of that All Wings Everything merch. And guys, before I get out of here, you know I have to do some quality control just to make sure this is okay. All right, so let me get into this plate real quick. All right, so now I'm here at my table, my kitchen counter, and we fixing to try this out. Let me tell you what we got first. See, this is what we have. All right, so I got me a little ranch dressing here on the side, just for dipping, just in case. But let's go ahead and try this bad baby. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even know if we can get it zoomed in, but anyway, we ain't gonna take too much time. That chicken. Great party food. Great party food. This is good. Then you take this ranch, just dip it in some of that ranch. This will be on my table at Super Bowl. It'll be on my table. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.